Hello students, this is the maths video for class 8th and we are about to start with the exercise 11.3. So everybody pay attention, we are going to solve some questions and as from the same concepts which we have already discussed previously in the classroom. So let's get started. Exercise number 11.3. The first question, have a look everyone. There are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? So first of all, in your copies, make a cuboid as shown in the figure, okay, with the same dimension 60 centimeter and followed by 40 centimeter here. Yes, and 50 here. Okay guys, so there is a cuboid and another figure just adjacent to it there is a cube. See, if you are able to make out it is a cube because all the sides of this cube are equal. Yes or no? All the sides are equal. Yes. So all the dimension, just like square we discussed previous times. Yes, just like a square. Square को आप 3 dimension में कर दो तो it becomes a cube and rectangle को आप 3 dimension में कर दो तो it becomes a cuboid. So I'll give you a hint for this answer. Basically we have already calculated the area of square and a rectangle. Okay, so we have already always found that the area of the area of the rectangle is always lesser as compared to that of the square, though the perimeter is the same. Okay, keeping the perimeter is same. We have already computed the questions in the previous exercises. Okay, now here also a similar pattern you are going to find. So finally in this question, see which amount of box require lesser amount of material to make. Lesser amount of material in the sense we are supposed to calculate the surface area of both the figures. Okay, and then we need to compare. Okay, so have a look on this thing, the solution. Have a look on the solution. We are, as I have already made the two figures for you, and this is figure A and this is B. We are going to compute for A first. Okay, see, so in order to compute the surface area of the cuboid, surface area of cuboid equals to what? You know it always, 2 into, see, 2 into, I'll keep it here like this. Okay, wait a minute guys. Okay, so as you can see here, surface area of the cuboid equals to L into P plus B into H plus H into L. Yes or no? This is what it is, the formula. So surface area इसका कैसे करेंगे अपन? 2 into 60 into 50 plus 50 into 40 plus 40 into 60. Yes or no? Equals to this thing. 2 into what it becomes? कितना हो जाएगा ये? 3000. Yes. ये 2000. Yes. Plus 2400. Yes. सबको जोड़ दो. 2 into 7 ये कितना हो जाएगा? 2 into 7 7400. Yes. Equals to what? 14,800 answer. Yes. And it is going to be in centimeter square. Is this very clear guys? Because it's an area and you can easily calculate. This is how it is. Yes. Now calculate. We'll be calculating the surface area of the cube. Surface area, यहाँ पे B आ जाएगा. Surface area of the cube we are going to calculate. Yes. So surface area of the cube is how much? You know it very well. Same formula, but in this case, see, the side is, let's assume it is a. तो यहाँ पे a square plus a square plus a square हो जाएगा. Understanding me? ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे कितना हो जाएगा? 3a square हो जाएगा अंदर, and outside it is 2. Yes. तो 3 2s are what? 6. So 6a square हो जाएगा total. Yes or no? So this is how the formula becomes, that it is 6a square is the surface area of the cube. Okay, or you can do it in using this formula also, keeping the values 50 each time. Yes or no? Okay, both the ways you can do. So 6a square हो जाएगा. तो 6a square is how much? 6 into how much it is? 50 into 50. This is what it is. तो कितना हो जाता है? 50 50 का it is, see, 15,000. ये 3,000 हो गया. 3,000 into 50 equals to 15,000. Yes, centimeter square. Now you can easily compare that this 15,000 is greater than what of 14,800 by 200 centimeter square. Yes, so you will always find that the surface area of the cube is greater as compared to that of surface area of a cuboid, similar to that of a rectangle and a square. Okay, is this clear? So material required is lesser for cuboid as per the question I am asking you. Material required as per cuboid is lesser as compared to that of the cube. So you can write your answer accordingly. Okay, is this okay, guys? Now let's do the second question. Okay, let's take second question into consideration. Suitcase measure. There is a suitcase which measures how much? For 80 by 48 by 424. Yes, centimeter cube. Yes, this is what the dimension of a suitcase is. To be covered with tarpaulin cloth. Okay, how many meters of tarpaulin cloth of 96 centimeter width is required to cover 100 such suitcases? Okay, now we are going to calculate the surface area, because cover is always on the surface of the suitcase. Yes, so we are going to calculate the surface area of the suitcase first. Okay, so let's see the solution. Let's see how to do it. Have a look. Yes, so surface area of the suitcase equals to, again we'll be writing the formula, 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Yes or no? So this becomes how much? 2 into 80 into 48 plus 48 into 24 plus 80 into how much? Yes, 80 into 24. Yes, 80 into 24. This is what it is. We'll be solving it thoroughly. कैसे सॉल्व करना है ये देखो. Wait. Solve this and you'll get somewhere around 3840 for this thing plus 1152 plus 1920. Okay, 2 into 6912. Is this very clear, guys? Calculate this thing, you'll get this much. Okay, in order to make the video I'm using a calculator. Anyways, you don't use the calculator. So this is what the surface area, total surface area of the suitcase is. So need not to solve this thing. इसको आप सीधा सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर लिख सकते हो. ओके, सीधा डायरेक्टली आप सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर लिख सकते हो. तो सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दिस थिंग. अब क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग दैट देयर इज अ 96 सेंटीमीटर विथ वाला एक क्लॉथ है. मतलब देयर इज अ क्लॉथ ऐसा होता है जिसकी विथ, ये जो विथ है ये 96 सेंटीमीटर है. सी, क्लॉथ लंबा है, तो हाउ मच लेंथ ऑफ द क्लॉथ इज बीन आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन. सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज. ओके, सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज विथ ऑफ द क्लॉथ, यहाँ पे लिखेंगे अपन क्लॉथ रिक्वायर्ड इक्वल्स टू 2 into 6912 अपॉन हाउ मच 96 सेंटीमीटर का विथ तो है ही. हाउ मच लेंथ कैसे पता करनी है वो देखना है अपन को. तो कितना हो जाएगा ये 248 सा. यस, दिस इज हाउ इट इज. इसको आप डिवाइड कर लोगे तो यू विल गेट दिस मच सेंटीमीटर सॉरी. ठीक है, ये भी सेंटीमीटर में था. ये सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है इसकी वैल्यू यूनिट, इसकी सेंटीमीटर है. सेंटीमीटर से स्क्वायर कट जाएगा, बचेगा क्या, सेंटीमीटर के लिए बचेगा. यस और नो गाइस, इज दिस वेरी क्लियर? सो मेक श्योर you are doing the question problem, understanding the concept very clearly. Got it? If you want, you can pause the video and take a snapshot. Okay, question number 3. Have a look. We'll be having a look on question number 3. Okay, find the side of a cube whose area is 600 centimeter square. Okay, find the, you need to find the side of a cube. Just in case अभी जो cube का solve किया था ना, you need to find the side where surface area is given. So we have already discussed this thing. So surface, I'll keep it here. Surface area of the cube equals to कितना होता है, 6a स्क्वायर होता है. यस, 6a स्क्वायर. तो इसको कैसे लिख देंगे अपन? एरिया कितना गिवन है इन द क्वेश्चन? इट इज 600 गिवन इक्वल्स टू 6a स्क्वायर. तो a स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 600 अपॉन 6 इक्वल्स टू 100. यस, तो a की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 100 इक्वल्स टू 10 सेंटीमीटर. यस और नो गाइस, clear है? Anybody any doubt? Make sure you either you drive the formulas correctly or you remember these formulas. Whichever way you are comfortable with, you take that approach. Okay, but important is you remember the concept. Clear? Question number 4 देखेंगे अब. Question number 4, let's solve it. Reshke painted outside a cabinet measuring how much? 1 meter, 1 into 2 into 1 meter into by 2 meter by 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? I hope you understood the question. You are supposed to paint the entire cuboid, leaving its bottom. Okay, so need not to worry anything. There is nothing special about the question. You are just supposed to calculate its surface area and deduct the area of the bottom from the entire surface area. Okay, normally in the books or anywhere else you might find that they have modified the formula in order to compute this thing. You don't worry about it. You just compute the entire surface area and reduce the area of the bottom part. Yes, so bottom part measures how much? See in the figure, 1 meter by 2 meter. Yes, so 2 meter square is the area of the bottom. So you, out of the entire total surface area, if you reduce this 2 meter square from it, then you will get the area of the rest of the part of the cuboid. Yes or no? I hope so it is clear to you guys. Yes? So understand this and we'll be calculating the question accordingly. Okay? Have a look. Let me draw the figure first. Have a look. See, this is how we'll be doing. So sorry guys. I hope you are able to see it. Yes. So these are, everything is in meter, okay? So surface area of the cuboid is how much? 2 into L into B plus L into H plus B into H. ऐसा में मल्टीप्लाई कर दो आप. 2 into इसकी लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ 1 into 2 plus 1.5 into 2 plus breadth into height 1 into 1.5. yes. इसको कंप्यूट कर दो आप तो कितना हो जाएगा? 2 into 2 plus 3 plus 1.5. yes. तो 5 plus 1.5 is 6.5. 6.5 2 is 13 meters square. yes. This is how it is. 5, this is 5 and this is 6, तो 6.5 2 is 13. कैसे करेंगे? आप ये देखो कि 6 2 कितना होता है? 13 होता है. तो 0.5 2 कितना होता है? 1 होता है. दोनों को जोड़ दो आप, you will get 13 meters square as the total surface area. Now what we are supposed to reduce? We are supposed to deduct this bottom part. ये है bottom part. इसका एरिया कितना होता है? ये एक रेक्टेंगल की तरह होगा, ये ऐसा होगा अंदर से. यस. अपन को ये वाला पोर्शन हटाना है. यस. नीचे का पार्ट. तो क्या करेंगे? इसका एरिया कितना हो गया? 1 मीटर इंटू 2 मीटर. ये 1.5 से तो कोई मतलब नहीं, बिकॉज इट इज अ हाइट. यस और नो? आई होप यू आर गेटिंग मी. तो 1 into 2 meter we will deduct. तो कितना हो जाएगा? 13 में से वी आर सपोज टू माइनस 2 मीटर स्क्वायर. ठीक. आप इसको ऐसे नहीं लिखो, यू राइट इट फर्स्ट. तो एरिया ऑफ द बॉटम पार्ट इक्वल्स टू 1 into 2 meter square इक्वल्स टू 2 meter square. यस और नो? ठीक है. तो what required area equals to 13 minus 2 equals to 11 meters square. Is this clear, guys? I hope so it is clear to you guys. Yes. The area to be painted by so and so in the question is 11 meters square. Is this clear, guys? Let's move on to the next question. Question number 5 and describe question number. Have a look on question number 6. Describe how two figures at the right are alike and how they are different. Which box has larger lateral area? Okay. So question number 5 and question number 6 are your homework. Is this very clear, guys? Okay. They are similar. Use the formula for cylinder. You know it very well. We have already discussed in the example previously. So you will do it at home. Question number, have a look on question number 7. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made up of sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? It's a very simple question, guys. You just need to calculate the surface area of the cylinder. We have already discussed in this thing in the example C. यहाँ पे on this just above exercise 11.3 जहाँ लिखा हुआ है उसके just ऊपर देखो ये सिलेंडर का ही एरिया है. The height of the cylinder is this thing. ऊपर जो लिखा है वो फॉर्मूला ही है. Let's see on this page. Example 7. Okay, you can easily calculate the same thing. Okay, very simple guys. So question number 7 is also your homework. Question number 5, question number 6, question number 7 is your homework. Have a look on question number 8. The lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is this much. It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width of 33 centimeter. Find the perimeter of a rectangular sheet. If try this, it's simple even. In case if you are not able to do it, we'll discuss it tomorrow. Okay, so I hope the concept and the questions are quite clear to you, and please do solve the questions. Question number 5, question number 6 and 7 are your homework, and question number 8, if you can do it, please do have a give it a try. Okay, so we'll be continuing our lecture on this very subsequent day and the videos as soon as we'll get back soon. Okay, post your homework in the regular group, and post the homework also and your answers also, okay, along with it, so that everybody is able to know whether what is the homework given to you guys. Okay, thank you, good night, thank you.